Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and welcome to my must-have iPad accessories video. So first off, a no-brainer, the Apple Pencil, or of course some other type of stylus I'm sure would work, but for me I absolutely have to have my Apple Pencil, and I'm just sharing with you the accessories that I have and love. I have some other ones, but I don't love them, so I'm only sharing the ones that I use regularly. Can't live without my Apple Pencil or my Apple Pencil tips, because some of them are kind of native to the Apple Pencil, like those white ones that you see that kind of come standard with the Apple Pencil. You get a couple of those in the pack whenever you purchase an Apple Pencil typically, but I actually like the ones that are more pointy, that resemble that of a ballpoint pen. So I like to buy those because it just kind of gives me that paper and pen type of vibe, which I have always loved. I also really love my paper-like screen protectors. Now there are some by the paper-like brand, and then there are essentially knockoffs, and so I very much buy the knockoff ones. This is also called a matte screen protector, but it really just gives you that paper and pen type of feel whenever you're writing on your iPad using a matte protector. I am obsessed with clear cases. If I don't have a clear case, which really just allows me to really appreciate the beauty that is the iPad, I just like looking at it in its purest form, then I have some other type of neutral case, like a gray or a white or a navy or something like that. Now you're looking at some gray ones and some white ones, and honestly I like these because they protect not only the back of the iPad but also the front. And I really like the third one that I'm about to show because it actually adds a little extra support with that flap, because it allows me to keep my Apple Pencil rather protected. So I do like having those. I also really like my pencil cases and covers. This is one of my cases. I call it a case because it's kind of like a little case. It's plastic and it has no real rhyme or reason other than it really makes it seem like I'm using a pen. And so that's why I like this. Otherwise, it's not really functional too much. It's more decorative. I also really like this one. This one's has more of like a silicone type of material, and I really like it. The white one obviously will not connect to my Apple iPad because it's in a plastic case, but I can connect the silicone one to my iPad and it will charge. So that's kind of why I like this one, because it is like a case. It does make it seem like I'm writing with a pen, especially with the what do you call that? The thing that you hook things onto, you know what I'm talking about. I also like sleeves. This is one of my sleeves. I have a blue one, and then I think I have a purple one, a pink one, and maybe a black and a white. So I will have all of this stuff linked down below, but it all came in a pack. So I really love the sleeves as well. It really just gives me a better grip. That actually is functional and not just decorative, because it does give me a better grip. And I could not live without my Magic Keyboard. Why? Because I use my iPad as a laptop because I don't have a laptop, and so I absolutely have to have my Apple keyboard because that makes it actually feel like a laptop and a computer. And then I love all my stands. I have one that I got from Amazon, and then another one that I got from Benks, which if I still have the promo code or whatever code they gave me, I will have that link down below in the description box. But I love this stand because it is magnetic and I can just put my iPad right on it. I didn't do too much moving it around, but it really swivels 360 degrees. I can have it go down, I can have it be straight up at different angles, and I love it. I didn't have it moving around too much because I had my camera sitting on the desk when I was filming this, and there's only so much the stabilizer can do in post to make these videos kind of turn out looking okay whenever I do film like this, which I tend to do a lot. But anyway, this is my screen cleaner. Got this from Amazon as well. You just spray, a solution comes out, and then you wipe away the debris, the dust, the gunk, and all of that. So I went ahead and cleaned both of my iPads today, during the time that I was filming this video, as well as my iPhone. So everybody got a little bath today. And then I really love this Apple Magic Keyboard pencil holder. It just really helps me to protect my iPad when it's in that Magic Keyboard and I don't have any other case. It really just keeps it in place. So that's the perk of it. But these are my favorite iPad accessories. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video.